I'm Demi from Demi's Nails and Beauty, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to hand paint French. Right, so when doing a French, I'm going to use a gel liner here that has a really thin brush in the bottle. This is from the manicure company. And I'm going to make sure I barely have any product on the brush. Just when you have a lot of white on the brush, that's when your French is not neat and it looks sloppy. So you need to make sure that you literally have just the tiniest amount on your actual brush, and it'll be easier for you to do your French. So I'm gonna just start. You need to make sure you're resting your baby finger on your other finger just for balance, because if I was to do French myself now and I was just to do it hold my hand like this, I wouldn't be able to keep a steady hand. So I need to make sure I'm resting my baby finger off this finger here. And then it all depends how far you want your French to go up the nail, or how thick you want the white to be. Now, because the nail is slightly longer, you could go for a thicker French. And then that's that done, and then we're going to cure this for 60 seconds as well in the LED light or lamp, just because the gel liner is slightly thicker and needs to cure for that bit longer. Once that's out of the lamp, then we're just going to apply a top coat, and this is a no wipe top coat from the manicure company. I'm going to apply that all over the nail. And then that'll go into the lamp for 60 seconds as well. And now we're just going to go in with some cuticle oil, just applying that to the cuticle. Make sure you don't apply that on top of the nail, just because if you're taking any pictures, that will take off any shine. And then that's done. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit us a thumbs up, subscribe and follow us on all social media platforms like Instagram at Demi's Nails and Beauty or TikTok.